Optimum Medical is kind of split into two parts. It is a services part and a product part. The services part does direct prescriptions to patients, and then the product part does medical devices like catheters. It has a very large business-to-business aspect, but it also has a very large business-to-customer aspect. Customers need a lot more information quickly, whereas business-to-business is much more slow-moving and building relationships. We needed a system that could react quickly to a request for information, could be accessible remotely across the whole of the UK, and could give that rich information to a customer care agent so that they could have those right conversations. And NetSuite was perfect for that. We chose NetSuite because all the data is in one place and it's very easy to access and customize. It really fits with our business processes and allows us to understand the customer's needs. Currently, we're using the CRM piece, the customer relationship management piece of NetSuite, so that we get the full 360 view of the customer. We're using the order management system so that we can track their orders from start to finish, including picking, packing, and distribution, which includes the warehouse management piece so that we can pick from our warehouse and make sure the right products are picked. We use NetSuite Analytics to try and tell a story about how our customer sales are working. So it will give us guidance on which areas we're succeeding in and which areas we're struggling in, so that then we can tailor our changes to fix those problems. So today with NetSuite, we can track an order right from the inception, where the customer places it and the conversation we've had with that customer, all the way through the stock requests, the picking, the packing, and then making sure that it gets delivered to the customer on time and it's the right product, and making sure that whole flow works perfectly and beautifully. Since we've moved to NetSuite, we've been able to save manpower hours because we don't have to do so much manual admin. And that means that we can then reinvest the savings into customer care and make sure that we have the good conversations with the customers and spend our time with those customers rather than wasting time on admin. So Optimum Medical, and specifically Vyne, is market leading mainly because of the technology that we rely on. And obviously NetSuite is at the heart of that. And if we didn't have that technology, we wouldn't be market leading. We wouldn't be able to react to customers as quickly as we can. And the fact that NetSuite is based on a lot of the Oracle underpinnings, so be that AI, be that data analysis, be that the speed of the cloud access, without that, we just wouldn't be the business that we are.